Howdy everybody and welcome to London Creative, where I am being creative in London. This is the creative side rather than the out and about side, so we're in here. If you don't already know, I have recently split the channel into two halves because there was too much diversity in the content and YouTube doesn't like diversity, so it now got the creative side and the out and about side, which is a link up there for all of the videos of everything I've done out there. That's it. In all my videos, in all of the making videos, I use music. I source out lots of music and I've had a few copyright strikes because I've tried to use music that wasn't the right thing, and so I've had to take them down because people go, it's my music, not credit me. So that's what this is about. How to find music and what music to find and how music can affect your video. So I'm sitting here editing a short video that we did last Friday night, which will go up on the Out and About channel, and it's the Greenwich Spark art installation. So I'm sitting here, I've edited it down, I've got it cut down to roughly, chopped down, everything dumped in and gone. Okay, so it's pretty short, it's about 4 minutes long, and so I need a piece of music for it. Now with that, and with this being that this channel is one channel and that's another channel, I used to have an Epidemic Sound subscription on this channel, and I've now moved it to that channel, which is going to cause a bit of a problem with showing you music on this channel because I can't play the music that I would put on that video if I used Epidemic Sound, because this channel doesn't have the subscription. It would be easier if I just had subscription on both, but it's a lot of money and so I can't afford it, so it's just, I'm going to have to have that Epidemic Sound on the Out and About music, and on this channel from this point on is going to be YouTube. And also another website that I use quite a lot, Thematic. Hello, thematic.com. So for the purposes of this video, and well, I'm not going to use Epidemic Sound, but I'm going to edit and find a piece of music that would suit. This is where people get stuff wrong. I don't use music on the intro. That's a generic sound on iMovie that I've reversed. So that's where the sound comes from. But the moment that starts and I get to start the video, I will then start adding in music and I'll fade it in. It kind of needs something mellow and chill, but it's about bubbles. It'll make sense when you see it. So first off, I have a list of music already on here. I have Epidemic's music and I have YouTube no license music. When you go onto YouTube audio library, there are two types. You've got the audio library license, and you can use this on a track without making any credit to anything, or you do attribution required, where you get the CC, Creative Commons attribution, in which case you have to credit. That's pretty much what you do with Thematic and Epidemic. Epidemic, you just write all music from Epidemic, but if you do it in Thematic, you have to, whatever music you've downloaded, you have to give the credit and just add that into your description. A number of the songs that I used to have on this channel, when I moved them to the other channel, I've had to re-edit and take off the music and put new music on and pretty much re-edit it to match and fit, because with Thematic, a lot of the songs stay free for a limited time. And as long as you use it in that time and credit them in that time and put the video up, you're fine. But if you have that song and then a few months later it goes premium, you can't then add that song without paying for the subscription. So a number of songs have got this song has expired and cannot be used after May 9th 2021, which is a song I did use at some point. If I moved that onto Out and About, then I wouldn't be able to use it now because it's been uploaded now, so hence I've had to recut and change it. So a lot of the videos, although they're older videos, they're newly re-edited and recut and changed because the music has changed dramatically. So I was going to do this on a video I shot this time last year of walking in Hampstead with the dog, and I had a piece of music which I put up, and it's very calm, very mellow, sort of.
And she's gone. Bye, Solo.
Very classical music, and it just doesn't work. The video is really like, it's pretty and it's mellow, but it's just very flat, and I see it now. So I've taken it down, I'm going to recut it and re-edit it and maybe put it back up, or I'll just go and reshoot it and see it, but it's Out and About on Hampstead for the dog, which we do quite a lot anyway. So, down to music. So I need a song that will match the aesthetic of this video, and it's pretty much just a lot of lots of bubbles basically. There's a background noise which I will mute and turn down. I want to sort of muffle it but keep some of it because there's a lot of people and it gives atmosphere. If you don't have any sound of atmosphere and people, it loses something. So on to music. So if I look on Thematic and see what they come up with. Someone's made a playlist which is bubbly. All of these are golden. They've got diamonds over them, which means you have to pay for them to be able to use them. Let's see what it sounds like. So there's nothing on Thematic that is particularly bubbly or bubbled. So instead, I shall get rid of that, go onto Audio Library and type in bubbles on here and see what I can find. Wee Bubbles by Freedom Trail Studio. First song. It's not a bad idea, it kind of works. If you play that and then go, it kind of works. In the garden, could this be in the night garden? I'm going to skim forward a bit instantly. No. I need a piece of music that is 35 seconds to... And I don't do intro, outro, so 35. 2.5 minutes is all I need. So a song that's 2.5 minutes long would be perfect. No. The computer's going crazy because I'm screen recording and playing music. Can't keep up. I'll buy me a new laptop, even better. Let's see what this sounds like. And a lot of them have this kind of electronic keyboard jazz sound. Not quite. Well, that's that sound. Lots of random scrunching noises. Different sound. Rock music. Not quite. There are people you'll learn that you like their sound. Some people you download and then never use. And I think Elephants is one of these. I've never actually used it. Too fast. Too fast, too dramatic. That's just not right. It could be night snow. See? I'm going to start that. Jean-Michel Jarre. No, that is bright cinematic. That's just clearly hip hop. Mood. See how different that same piece of footage looks and appears with every single different track. Wrong sort of thing. I've done this before. Yeah. I have this. So the problem is I've used it before. But it fits, and it's kind of the sound that's in my head. answer. I wonder if there's anything else by it. Emily Sprague. Okay, Emily Sprague has about 10 tracks. Instantly, it sounds bubbly. First track, bang. Float. So it's either Mind and Eye Journey or Float. On the grounds of I can put one piece of music in and it'll fit, Float is only 1 minute and 50 seconds long. Mind and Eye Journey is long enough. Okay, Mind Eye Journey it is. Hit download. I'm sure you know how to do this. One thing with this is all well and good, it's been in here, but get all of the info and get this right. And then put it in the right album, and then write album artist, mixed. And then down there it says compilation, click compilation. Drag that into the appropriate playlist and drag this into the track, like so, fade it in, and that. There we have this music roughly in. Now adjust it to fit. So if there's a break in the music, it seems to be fairly consistent. It doesn't seem to be many starts and stops. And that'll be it. Now all I've got to do is adjust the track and the music and the video and time it so when it rises and falls, crescendos and etc., it will fit the video. And I'm sure you know how to do that. But if you don't, let's just do a quick bit. We start it off and we're going to reduce the sound. I'm just going to reduce the sound of this. I learned that having it 100% is too loud, especially if it's tinny and ping, 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 ping music. Same with the background noise of the buses going past. Don't need to be loud, they just need to be there. Whereas this noise of all the people, I want to keep in because it's giving the atmosphere of there's a lot of people. And they, yeah, it's really cool. It wants to just come down just a little bit. Of course, if you want to know how to pitch the sound and make it alright and make it fade when you're talking and whatever, I've done a video on editing. I've done 2 videos on editing. I've also done a thing about editing the Ford Raptor commercial. Re-edited it and they did it all in iMovie. I don't think many people actually saw it, but lots of layers of sound. So at one point there's about 9 layers of audio, gears changing, tyres, gravel scrunching, all things like that, all laid in. Plus music, all in a video which will be up there, which you can go and watch, and that'll show you how I edited sound and how you do it. And you do that on this, you can very clearly do it on Final Cut Pro and DaVinci and etc. I just can't run any of those on this thing because you can hear it whirring away because I'm running one thing. Again, want to help me out, help me with tech and stuff and buying stuff. Always help me with donations on Kofi. I can't afford anything else. But yes, so here we are. This is me, and I'm now just going to finish editing this, and then I've got to edit this video. I'm going to stop recording on there and talk to you. This video I'm editing will already be up on the other channel, and I'll try to link it there so that you can go and watch the final results and see what you think of the music. And tell me what you think. Tell me if you do it differently. If you like this, do give it a thumbs up. As I said, leave comments below. And if you're not already subscribed and you like these sort of technical things as well as the art and the, I almost went out and about. It's not out and about anymore. It's just the art stuff. Just the making, painting, breaking, burning stuff. Then you should hit subscribe down there and come back each week for something new, different and creative in London. So until then, might eventually load on my really slow computer. I can't use Epidemic at all because I can't demonstrate the use of Epidemic. I can't even play a snippet of the sound on Epidemic because this will instantly become copyrighted. If you'd like to hear the Epidemic music on the London Creative being creatives for the flow art and the crafting and the making stuff, and you like the silly comedy cartoony stuff tends to come from Epidemic. If you like all of that and you think it adds to the video and you like me to use it again, you could always help me out a little bit by going to Kofi.com and help me buy a subscription, and then I can have it on both channels. It's just a suggestion. Or you could go to Epidemic Sound and take out a subscription yourself and use Epidemic's music yourself. Link is below. If I get, I think it's like 12 people do it, I would actually get free subscription for the year. Just got to get 12 people to see this video and sign up. So the appropriate sound playlist. My stomach's gurgling, excuse me.